Yeah. It's church. Hey, hey, hey. Feel like a king, feel like a god. I don't think no one can stop me. I'm on my way straight to the top. Then the so sloppy. I know he wish he could copy, but that little boy is just not me. I am a one of a kind. There is nobody else like me. Feel like a king, feel like a god. I don't think no one can stop me. I'm on my way straight to the top. Then so sloppy. I know they wish they could copy, but that little boy is just not me. I am a one of a kind. There's nobody else like me.
Hi folks, Martin Lackey, Lions Realty and Investments, your easy bake oven expert, broker by EXP. So in this video today, I'm coming to you guys and share with you guys some of the tricks and tips that I've learned over the years, because I want us all to take our turn. So in this video today, I'm gonna give y'all a few hitters about something about credit. So I love doing everything I love doing. I love thinking about business, real estate, credit, and stock. I teach about the RBICs of wealth building. So in my journey, that's one of the things I study a lot is credit. And I work with a lot of people when they're looking for a home, to get them situated and get them prepared before they go to the bank. Because, I don't like people being set up for losing. So I prepare people before they even go to the bank. So I don't do much work with credit building. Or credit restoration. I do leverage. I help people leverage their credit, leverage their situation to get things like them fancy cars, to get things like houses, to get that shiny stuff that you guys really want, but don't know how to obtain. See, a lot of people got a misconception in this world, and we think, and I had this misconception too growing up, is we think that you have to have money to make everything work, and that's definitely not true. Money does play a big factor in what's going on, but you don't need a whole lot of cash. As where it say, even with housing, some people think you need 20% down to buy a house. Well, you don't. Sometimes you need 3.5%. Sometimes you need no money down. But the main thing you do need is leverage. So that's what I'm here to share and show you guys is how to obtain leverage, how to take from one and pay for the other, how to take our turn. So that's how one of the ways I created the easy bake oven life, because nobody ever taught me how to, grind. I was taught how to hustle from being in the streets from my mom. My mom is actually the one that taught me how to hustle. So shout out, Mom. I appreciate you, bro. Mama, I love you. So one of the things she did teach me is that if you want something, you got to go out and grind. You got to go out and take that stuff. You can't just expect somebody to break into your house and just come and show you something. And it ain't nobody, and I've always taught and showed you guys that it ain't nobody's job to teach us what we should already know. It ain't nobody's fault. Well, I don't know what I don't know. So it's my job to go out there and take my turn. So that's how I came up with the easy bake oven life is I just go and I take my turn. Like I said in the previous videos yesterday is I show up to stuff. Now you either gonna put me out, you ain't gonna whoop me. So you either gotta teach me or put me out. And 9 times out of 10, you ain't gonna put me out. So what you gonna do? Just teach me. And most people, they love talking about themselves. They love talking about business. So they will be more than happy to teach you about some stuff. So I preach big on mentorship, coaching, or whatever. If you need any coaching, don't be scared to ask people them tough questions, okay? Don't be scared to get people out of their space. So this is what I wanted to hit y'all, because I don't want to be making these videos 10, 20 minutes. I want to try to keep them pretty simple and pretty fair to the point. So this is something I want y'all, and I want you guys put your pencils down, put your pens down, like and subscribe to this video if you find content. Share this video if you find content valuable, because somebody could use this. You might not be able to need it, but somebody needs it. Trust me. And in order for us to take our turn, we got to do this together. We got to do this as a community. We got to do this as a people together. Nobody can do things by themselves. Everybody needs some type of leverage, whether it be from people, money, something. Everybody needs help with something. So that's my job, to come and give you guys leverage, give you guys value, so that you can go get that down payment, so you can go get that nice car you want, so you can go get that nice house you want, so you can go do things, get things in your business name and not in your personal name. So that's some of the strategies I teach. I teach strategies. So don't get a misconception with how I do things. I teach strategies and I teach lessons. So when you come work with me, I put in hard work, and I expect everybody that I deal with to put that same hard work. Because again, it ain't nobody's job for us to learn nothing. It's our job to go get that information. So one of the things I wanted to come tell y'all, and this is for anybody that's ever been evicted. This is for anybody that's that's ever been denied for an apartment. This is for those guys that's on child support. Like there's certain street tricks and credit. Did you know that your credit can affect you your credit can affect you getting housing? Your credit, they even have credit where your credit can affect your insurance policy rates. So this is a big thing. And not only do you need to have established credit, but you need to have good credit, and you need to learn how to use and leverage your credit. See, just having a 700 credit score don't mean nothing. If you don't know how to use that 700 credit score to take advantage of the system, then you just got a 700 credit score. You just got a good credit score for nothing. So, and I've cycled through that. I did that myself. Then got 750, and then messed my credit up, got it back, messed it up again. So when I say I've learned this the hard way, I've learned this the hard way. But I had to learn this in order to help myself. And now I want to help you guys. I want to bring you guys some stuff to show you that we can take our turn. Now, what I bring in this video is I wanted to show, did you know that you can suppress information off your credit report? Yes, that's true. You can suppress information. So an example, I'll tell you an example. So every time you file for that apartment complex and get denied, or you file for that car company and get denied, it's people that they use to verify your information. Now, when you try to verify this information, there's third parties. You think some computer is going to sit and do all this research trying to find out who you is, your address, your social security number, all this? No. It goes by certain criteria, certain levels to this. And if you meet those levels, you get approved for the loan. But if you know how to do tricks and secrets and take that stuff off, now when that computer looks at your file, it's not seeing much at all. So they have to give you the approval. You can see that they have to, if you suppress stuff from your credit report, certain people can't see certain things. So example, say you owe child support, and you think child support going doing all this research to try to find you or find out who you is? No. They hire a third party, somebody like CoreLogic or SageStream or something like that. And I want you guys to write this stuff down because this is important stuff. So credit reporting agencies, they don't verify your credit. They go through third parties to verify your credit. So they go through a whole nother business to find out who you is. So what you need to learn how to do is to suppress that information and keep those people from knowing all of your business. That means the court documents, that means child support, that means these landlords that's getting over on everybody. If you know the certain system and you know certain leverage, nothing can stop us. We can take our turn. So this is what I wanted to come tell y'all, and I want you guys to Google a 609 letter. I'm giving you guys this stuff for free so you can do it yourself. Don't just pay me to do it, but you can do this stuff yourself. So I'm coming to you guys to show you. Google a 609 letter template. Now, there's certain ways you have to do this stuff. There's certain things you have to do. So that's what I'm here for. That's why I want you guys to call me. I'll show you exactly what to do. I'll help you do it. And I will make sure that you have that 750, 800 credit score. You want them shine that nice new truck. Well, I can show you how to get that nice new truck with somebody else's money. You want that nice apartment? I can show you how to get that nice apartment with somebody else's money. You getting denied for stuff because your child support is something, fellas. I can show you how to get the system to take your turn, man. So stop hesitating. Give me a call, man. We can do this stuff. And I'm trying to bring you guys this. I'm trying to bring you guys this information and let you know, like, this out there for everybody. It's out there for us all to find. But some of us don't want to do the work. Some of us just want to sit around and sit on our couch and wait for somebody, I guess, to break into our house and teach us the stuff and show us the stuff. Well, that ain't going to ever happen. So we might as well get used to that. We might as well tell ourselves we have to take our turn. So this is how I created the Easy Bake Oven life. Not just for me. I created the Easy Bake Oven way of living for you guys, to show you guys that it ain't as hard as they be trying to make it out to be. We can take our turn. So with that, I just want to come real quick and show you guys. Give me a call. Again, Google a 609 template. Read the template. Call me. I will explain to you exactly what to do to take this stuff off your credit. I will explain and show you exactly how to suppress information from your credit or verify that information so that if it's not verified correctly, guess what? They got to take it off. They got 30 days to take this stuff off, and you just got to make sure you do the paperwork right. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you get to that point. I'm here to help you get that nice rims, them nice cars, them nice houses. And I can show you how to turn it into a business and show you how to build business credit and build other stuff so that you can have this stuff through your business name and not through your personal name. See, it's one thing to have credit through your personal name. It's a whole nother thing to build up business credit. So y'all wonder how I got my dry cleaners and I came up so fast. It's because I know leverage. I had to learn leverage. And that's what I did. I went and learned how to leverage the little couple pennies I had into thousands of dollars and to live on my own. So if you want to learn these steps, you want to see how it's done, don't hesitate to give me a call. Just had a conversation with me, man. I just gave I give people free information all the time. All you got to do is come ask the right questions and pay. It costs to be the boss. So you want to take your turn, ain't nothing for free. So let's just stop thinking that our community owe us something. Stop thinking that people got to teach you stuff, because we don't. Nobody owes me nothing. You think people give a hell because I got sickle cell and I can barely move off the couch sometimes? No, nobody cares. You think the bill collectors care that you going through COVID, or that your kid is sick, or your parent died, or any of that good stuff? Nobody cares. At the end of the day, nobody remembers the man in second place. So that's what you have to realize. And I'm not cool with just being the norm. I'm not cool with just walking the walk and talking the talk. I want to take my turn. I know at the end of the day, nobody owes me nothing. And frankly, I don't care for somebody to owe me nothing, because I'll come take it. I'll come hustle and outwork you for it. So again, give me a call. You know my name, Martin Lackey, Lions Realty and Investments, Lions Consulting, broker by EXP. You need some help, give me a call. Stop being prideful, stop being ornery, and give that number a call. I give you my personal cell phone number, so I'm available anytime. 608-234-1203. I repeat, that 608-234-1203. You guys take this information, give me a call, and again, we can take our turn. It's secrets and it's stuff that they don't teach us in schools. They're not ever going to teach us this stuff in school, because then that means we'll go take our turn and we'll work for ourselves. So as long as they're not teaching this stuff, and if you go to college, you got to pay some finance major that's making $30,000-$40,000 to teach you this stuff, and then you still got to pray that he's teaching you correctly. So again, it's strategies and tricks to this stuff. Let's take our turn together, man. Give me a call. I will help you. You want to get your business together. You want to get your credit together. You want to get into some housing. You want to get into the stock market. You want to run the RBICs of credit, real estate, business, insurance, credit, and stock. Holla at your boy. I don't know everything, but I know enough. You got questions? Leave a comment below and tell me. I will do the research. I will make sure I come to you with the answers that you need. It's time for us to stop expecting people to do stuff and start taking our turn. So again, I'm Martin Lackey, Lions Realty and Investments. You guys take it, enjoy it. Broker by EXP, Lions Consulting. Reach out to me. You guys enjoy your day. Happy Saturday. God bless.